Representative Nancy Pelosi is retiring next year after spending around 40 years in public service. But she's leaving public office with a lot more than just her political accolades. Pelosi is now also worth millions of dollars. Let's go to Emma Withrow from the Fact Check team. And I know that you dug into the financial disclosures a little earlier today.
Yeah.
What was Pelosi's net worth when she entered public office?
So when she first got elected in 1987, her and her husband reported they had between $610,000 and $785,000 in stocks in their portfolio. That's all according to her disclosure form that was published by Open Secrets. And then within the last 38 years or so, she and her husband have made at least $130 million in stock profits. Quiver Quantitative reports that she's worth around $281 million, including all of her assets. So obviously she's done pretty well within that time period.
Right, and she has long received a lot of questions about this, but I know that you also dug into some other lawmakers whose market moves have also raised some questions. What did you learn?
So from what I found back in 2008, first one that sticks out to me, Alabama Republican Spencer Backus bet against the market right after a private briefing with the Treasury Secretary and the Fed chair. Obviously made a lot of money when those stocks fell. Then in early 2020, Democratic Senator Dianne Feinstein sold off stocks right before the COVID crash, which raised a lot of questions about insider trading, insider knowledge. And then also more recently, just this year, Republican Rob Bresnahan sold hospital bonds just weeks after voting for a bill that put those same hospitals at risk.
All right, Emma, thank you so much. Emma's going to join us to dig into this further in a few minutes, as well as to break down the net worths of the wealthiest members of Congress.